Hi everyone. I thought this treadmill might either become a giant clothes rack or feel shaky the second I started running on it. So I was pretty skeptical before bringing the NordicTrack T-Series into my home. I wanted something for walking and running indoors that didn't feel like one of those tiny, flimsy walking pads. But I also didn't want a massive commercial-style machine taking over the whole room. And honestly, that was the biggest question for me. Would this feel like a real treadmill, or would it feel like a budget compromise? So after using it regularly, here's my honest experience. First, this thing is heavy. That was obvious before it was even fully out of the box. If you're picturing a small, lightweight treadmill you can casually drag around by yourself, this is not that. The box is big, the running deck has real weight to it, and I would definitely recommend having two people available, especially for getting it inside and positioned where you want it. Once it was unboxed though, the packaging was solid. Everything felt protected, and the major parts were easy enough to identify. The running deck came mostly as one main piece, and the smaller parts were organized well enough that I wasn't digging around wondering what went where. Assembly was pretty straightforward, but I'll say this clearly. Straightforward does not mean effortless. If you're comfortable following instructions and taking your time, it's manageable. With two people, the process feels much easier, mostly because some parts are awkward and heavy. The actual steps are not very complicated, but you don't want to rush it or skip ahead. Once it's together, you can immediately tell it's not some thin, wobbly machine. Visually, I like that it looks clean and practical. It has that classic home gym treadmill look without feeling overly flashy. In a garage gym, exercise room, basement, or even a living room setup, it feels like it belongs. It's full-sized enough to feel serious, but it doesn't feel as bulky as I expected. And because it folds up, it's much easier to live with than a treadmill that has to stay stretched out all the time. The folding feature is one of those things I didn't think I'd care about as much as I do. Lifting the deck upright makes a big difference when you want to clean around it, shift things, or open up floor space. The front wheels also help when you need to reposition it. It is still a heavy machine, so I wouldn't call it lightweight, but it is movable once it's assembled. The first time I stepped onto the belt, the main thing I noticed was how sturdy it felt. There was no weird rocking, no nervous shaking, and no feeling like I needed to hold on because the machine couldn't handle movement. Even at an incline, it stayed solid. That matters a lot to me, because if a treadmill feels unstable, I simply won't use it consistently. The belt size also felt comfortable for both walking and running. I'm not constantly thinking about where my feet are landing, and I don't feel cramped. It has enough room to get into a natural stride, whether I'm doing an easy walk, a faster jog, or a more focused run. I also like the side rails. They're easy to grip when I need them, especially during incline walking. Now the comfort underfoot is one of the biggest positives. I've used treadmills before that made my ankles and knees feel beaten up afterward, especially if I tried to run. This one feels much better in that area. The impact feels softer and more controlled, so I don't get that harsh pounding feeling through my legs. For longer walks or regular workouts, that makes a huge difference. It's also surprisingly quiet. That was a big deal for me, because I like to put on a show or video on my tablet and zone out while walking. With this treadmill, I can do that without the machine being the whole soundtrack. It runs smoothly enough that it doesn't feel distracting, and that makes it easier to stay on longer. The controls are simple, which I actually appreciate. I don't always want a complicated workout screen or a bunch of required setup before I can exercise. Most of the time, I just want to hit start, adjust speed, adjust incline, and go. The display shows the important workout information, like time, distance, and speed, and I like being able to keep an eye on everything without cycling through a bunch of menus. The incline feature is another highlight. I use incline walking a lot, because it makes a workout feel more intense, without needing to run fast. The incline transitions are smooth. They're not instant or super speedy, but they feel controlled, and that's more important to me than speed. When I set it higher, I can get a really solid workout just by walking. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. One thing I also like is that this treadmill works well, whether you want to keep things basic or use connected training options. It is compatible with iFit, and I can see how that would be appealing if you like trainer-led workouts, virtual hikes, or guided plans. Personally, most of the time I just use the treadmill manually. I start it up, choose my speed and incline, and watch something on my tablet. So I appreciate that I don't feel forced into a subscription just to get a good workout. As far as regular use goes, this is where the treadmill has impressed me most. It feels like something you can use several times a week without worrying about it. I've used it for walking, jogging, incline workouts, and steady runs, and the experience has been consistent. It starts smoothly, the belt feels steady, and the frame feels solid. I think this is a really good fit, because it doesn't overcomplicate the workout. You can start with simple walking, slowly increase your speed, add incline, and build from there. But it also doesn't feel like something you'll outgrow immediately. If you start running more often, it still feels capable. The cup holders are useful, but they're not perfect. A standard bottle or tall can fits fine, but a larger tumbler may not sit comfortably depending on the shape. That's not a deal breaker for me, but it's worth knowing if you always work out with a big insulated cup. Another small thing, the display area can be harder to see in dim lighting on some versions. If your treadmill is in a darker room, you may want a little light nearby. Also, I do wish there were a more convenient pause option. The start and stop setup is simple, but a dedicated pause button would make quick interruptions easier. I also had to get used to the front deck area while walking. At first, I stepped a little too close to the front and bumped my shoe once or twice. After a few workouts, I naturally adjusted my position, and it stopped being an issue. But overall, the daily experience is very positive. It's sturdy, smooth, quiet, and comfortable enough that I actually want to use it. And that's probably the most important thing with any home treadmill. It can have every feature in the world, but if you don't enjoy stepping onto it, it just becomes furniture. For me, keeping it somewhere visible helps a lot. When it's folded up and tucked away too far, it's easier to ignore. But when I see it, I'm more likely to hop on for a quick walk, even if I only have 20 or 30 minutes. Over time, that consistency matters more than having the fanciest machine. So my final take is this. The NordicTrack T-Series treadmill feels like a strong value if you want a dependable home treadmill for walking, incline workouts, jogging, and regular running. It's not perfect. It's heavy, assembly is easier with help, the cup holders could be more generous, and a few convenience features could be better. But the core experience, the part that actually matters during a workout, is really solid. If you want something compact enough for home use, but sturdy enough to feel like a real treadmill, this one makes a lot of sense. It's especially good if you want a machine that can be used simply, without needing to rely on apps or subscriptions every time you work out. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below.